Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at writing a leaflet for English language paper 2. Now, what do you have to include when writing a leaflet? There are certain things you need to include when writing a leaflet, so we are going to go over this in today's video. So number one, you need to include a clear, appropriate original title. That's number one. Number two is organizational devices such as inventive subheadings or boxes. Number three is to include bullet points. Number four is to include effectively fluently sequenced paragraphs. So when you are planning the question, you need to make sure each paragraph flows from one to another. Now, as this is question 5 is out of 40, you will get a mark for AO5 out of 24 for your content and organization. And for AO6, you will get a mark out of 16 for your technical accuracy, for your spelling, punctuation and grammar. And the total time allocated for this question is 45 minutes. Now, here we have an example of how to structure your leaflet. So as you can see at the top, you will have a title. And within your title, the title itself may possibly be alliterative, and your title should be short and snappy. Following that, you will have your section header, and this is where you will have ideas which are to be divided into separate paragraphs. As you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And what you need to remember when writing a leaflet, you should include bullet points. As you can see, I've included them here. So maybe 2 or 3. Remember, you don't want to have too many bullet points, otherwise you may not pick up as many marks as expected. So just a small section of your leaflet should have, let's say, 2 to 3 bullet points where you summarize your main points here. And here you may even plug in a fact or figure or a certain statistic as well. And then just below that, you will have your section header with a text box, and here you'll make your information stand out by placing a box around your text. So again, it's perhaps 2 to 3 sentences or even slightly more, and it will have important and relevant information within this section header. And as you can see towards the bottom, you will have your final paragraph. And you will follow the same style of writing. It's persuasive writing, so you will still use the forest. So you'll use persuasive language techniques, you'll use extensive and ambitious vocabulary, and you'll use accurate spelling. And this is how you would follow the structure when writing a leaflet. I hope that this has given everyone a better understanding of writing a leaflet. Will it come up in your exam? It may do, but you need to be aware of how to structure and organize when writing a leaflet. I hope you all have a better understanding now when writing a leaflet. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share for more education related videos. Thank you.